This video will guide you through installing the CPU card on the SL2100 communication system. The SL2100 chassis has a dedicated slot for the CPU or EXIFE card and 4 universal slots for interface cards. The SL2100 must be powered off before inserting or removing any card. Wait for the SL2100 to power down after switching the AC power switch off. After a small delay, all lamps on the CPU card will be off. Power the SL2100 on or off via the power switch at the rear of each chassis. When the expansion chassis is installed, power off expansion chassis 2, then expansion chassis 1, and then finally the main chassis. The main chassis has the CPU card installed. Each expansion chassis has the EXIFE card installed. Before installing the CPU card for the first time, fit the memory backup battery. Ensure the plus symbol is as shown. Install the optional SD card. There are 2 SD cards available. The SD VMS provides 15 hours of in-mail storage. The SD VML provides 120 hours of in-mail storage. See the in-mail video for more details on in-mail and SD cards. Ensure the SD card is as shown. Push in the SD card until it clicks. Install the optional VoIP DB card. This is required when you need more than the 8 VoIP resources built into the CPU card. First, carefully remove the knockout on the front of the CPU card. Use small cutters to cut the plastic retainers. Line up connector J1 on the VoIP DB card with the connector J2 on the CPU card and gently push them together. Fit the 4 screws provided with the VoIP DB card. If you are also fitting the EXIFE card, then replace the 4 screws with the 4 metal spacers supplied with the EXIFE card. Install the optional EXIFE card. This is required when you are either installing an expansion chassis or increasing the VRS or in-mail channels from 4 to 16. First, carefully remove the knockout on the front of the CPU card. Use small cutters to cut the plastic retainers. If there is no VoIP DB card being installed, fit the 4 metal spacers into the CPU card and secure with the 4 spring washers and nuts supplied with the EXIFE card. Line up connector J3 on the EXIFE card with connector J22 on the CPU card and gently push them together. Fit the 4 screws into the EXIFE card. Please retain any unused fittings supplied with the EXIFE card, as these will be needed if the system requires the VoIP DB card installing at a later date. If there is also a VoIP DB card being installed, first install the VoIP DB card but do not fit the 4 screws. Fit the 4 metal spacers into the CPU card. Line up connector J3 on the EXIFE card with connector J22 on the CPU card and gently push together. Fit the 4 screws into the EXIFE card. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been helpful in providing an overview of how to install a CPU card on the SL2100 system. There are other quick installation videos available on our YouTube channel.
Orchestrating a brighter world. NEC.